Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to detail the engine bay of your Q50. So let's get right into it. So basically what I did there was put a piece of cloth, and whatever cloth, just put it in the battery area just to make sure you don't get the battery wet. And then just grab a pressure washer, or you can just use a garden hose and just rinse it down. Just do like a pre-rinse on the whole thing. Start with the hood. That way whatever is on there, whatever dirt and grime you have here will fall down, and you can clean this afterwards. You want to grab something, any sort of soap or any sort of like all-purpose cleaner. I got this right here. That's from Chemical Guys. No specific reason, it was just what was available at the store, so I'm going to use that and just spray the whole thing down. And now you just want to grab a brush, something like this. It's a paintbrush. You can buy a detail brush, whatever you want, and then just agitate all the spots that you just sprayed down. And if you feel like you need to use more, just go ahead and use some more. I know some of you are cringing right now, I'm using that shit on the paint, but who cares, it's under the hood anyways. Alright, so now that you have everything sprayed down and agitated, just go back to pressure washing the whole thing again. Guys, once you're done all that, just grab a towel, microfiber, whatever you have. Make sure it's clean though, and then just dry it down. Dry down your engine bay to make sure you get all the water out. Don't forget to take the cloth that you put in the battery area. Make sure you wipe down the battery and it's not wet, and then just take the cloth out. So now that you have that done, grab a clean microfiber towel and something like this, plastic trim protection something from, I just got this from Canadian Tire. So spray and then wipe. You can put it on all the rubber seals and everything as well, the hoses and stuff if you see it. So as you can see, that's a night and day difference. It's all clean now, all good to go. And yeah, just double check if you see any spots or anything like that, just go ahead and wipe it and it should be good to go. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks for watching. That's how to detail the engine bay on your Q50, and you can do that to any other car as well. So thank you. I'll catch you on another video. Peace.